It ain't even cold outside, now where I'm from.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Welcome to this Christmas. Yeah, see those.
Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 10 of Vlogmas. It is the 10th of December and we're starting off today's vlog fresh, clean, cute, and warm. Yes, I don't even want to show y'all the room because I'm cleaning it for the room deep clean makeover for the Christmas video, and I don't want to be showing y'all nothing, so I'll just turn this way I have none. So hi guys, how y'all doing? So this morning we're starting off this vlog, and oh, this is the same clothes I have on from yesterday, so you guys might notice it, but I'm getting assessed today. I think don't even mind that, that's going to have to stay, but I wanted to just keep on the long sleeve because it's kind of chill. You're going in about to freeze, so I have on this, and I'm gonna go to class in a few. I have class like in the next 15 minutes, 16 minutes. I have class at 9:15 and it's now 8:59, so I have class pretty soon, but yeah, it's fine. We just gonna teach as we normally do. Yeah, I haven't had breakfast kinda ish. My father was eating porridge and he gave me some, so that's all I ate since morning, but mom's cooking breakfast, so I'll have that to eat after I finish class. So it's a good thing, so my father didn't actually eat porridge and give me some, because your girl wouldn't get anything to eat yet. People are texting me. All right guys, so for today we have on the agenda, this is what we have on the agenda for today. After class I have some paper lights to side. I have the lights to sort out for outside. Hopefully I can show you guys that. You know, we're gonna ask one of my son, Kaji, he's gonna help, that I asked him to help us to put up the lights, you know, to clean the top part of the house. So we're gonna be doing that today, as well as I have practice today in the later on. Plus I need to finish like my room. This part here is not yet finished, so that I need to finish and film. And then this video, I think the room transformation video will not be coming out for now because I'm not ready to put on my sheets on my bed yet. So I guess I'll just have to try and figure out ways that I don't show you guys the room or whatever. But then again, it will be fine because y'all, I know y'all want to see like the end product, so it'll be fine. And I wouldn't show the end product until that video, so yeah. So yeah, my battery is flashing, I didn't charge it, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Enjoy the vlog, love you guys, thanks for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video, and I'll see you guys in a few. Guys, I'm done with class for today. Well, not for today. I'm done with the meet, and then I am gonna, like, whenever they're in their work, I'm gonna mark it and whatever. So yeah, guys, it's that time. It is that time. So yeah, I'm gonna put up lights and all. That light is so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna do. I'm the dictator, people. It's gonna be so cute. shade.
Streets.
Nice street. That is manager pina?
Well, he said
Manager pina?
he said he leaves
Kuya. Uno kuya. Yeah, show them say you did a ugly no.
no, they're not.
Kuya. Kaje, ladder the far here? It is far, it not the near. You want me to move the ladder? Eh? Kuya. Eyeglass. You say? You know after me buy like here, me not find them again. You probably did it, but me not find them again. Hey guys, we are Kosara session at our room. But yes guys, the lights are up. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the night. You can tell my Shani just stop explaining me about that stuff. Hi!
Can I put my...
Hi!
Can I put my...
Alright. Alright guys, so I just took off the long sleeve shirt. Yeah, I have on earphones because I'm about to listen to music and clean up the kitchen. So yeah, I don't think y'all want to see me clean up the kitchen. I think y'all see me do that enough, so not today. But anyways, I'm gonna listen to music and I'll see you guys in a few when I'm finished because I'm gonna clean my room after I'm done. So I'll see you guys after. And the Lord said let there be lights and we're waiting for the lights to come.
Is that on until it's not on?
Eh?
Stop it. What's that? I haven't started video.
Hey, if they never know, so we out here do this.
Just hold up the phone and think some start video.
You know that video?
No?
Mm-mm.
The Lord.
Guys, we kind of
The Lord said again.
stalling.
There the light.
Guys! Look how it does. If I can one is still now work, Ajay.
You go, girl. Hang on. Okay. So gone.
Why? Hi. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget guys, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. And today's notification shout out goes to Fiona May, this person right here, and today's motivational comment of the day goes to Sassy Shan again, and it says never drop your standard to please people. So I hope you guys enjoy this video again, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
There's no way, time.